Yo, what is going on, guys? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Let's go over to the charts. Little bit of an evening stream for you guys today. See what's going on with the family. 9:20 p.m. Central. What's going on, guys? Chat's quiet. Holy smokes! Nobody said a damn thing. Holy smokes! That's rare. Don't see that often. All right, what's going on, guys? I guess we'll get right into it since nobody's chit-chatty. Okay, so looking over at the JASMY chart, guys, uh, you know, like I said, this is our target up here, 5 cents 5. If and when we break out of this inverse head and shoulders we got going on here. Bam, 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 still in play, guys. We have retested successfully 3 cents as support right now. And yeah, I mean, so far so good, right? We're waiting for that break to the upside. Tara says, I'm not talking. Nice. So we're waiting for that break to the upside here, guys. And what it is that we're waiting for, as most of you who watch the morning TA videos know, we got no volume. I mean, well, I shouldn't say that. The volume's actually up a little bit from this morning. It's up to 97 million. So not bad, but market cap's at 1.48 billion. So yeah, we need some volume to pump into the market here, guys. And it could be just because it's Sunday. It could be just a lazy Sunday, right? We'll see what happens next week. Could be a super, super green week. ISO Jetpack, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. What's good? You know, just chilling, being solid. You know, the struggle's real. Had a solid chest workout today. Just got home from the gym a little while ago. Good times, good times. Bruno, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. We did also did quite a few one-on-one coaching sessions earlier today as well over on the Patreon. Had a good time doing that. Snuck a couple in before the gym. Oh, good times. So yeah, JASMY, like I said, 3 cents, guys, holding strong, holding support, looking good. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart. See what's going on over there, guys. Look, we've bounced off resistance twice now today, before and after the daily candle started. So 68.4, guys. I set this level of resistance, as you can, if you can remember, if you've been following over the last few days, I set this level of resistance here for you guys. I said, like, look, it was resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, 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 and here, right? It was a pretty strong level of resistance. So it's probably going to take a couple of times to break through it. But once we break through that, guys, I'm anticipating the Bitcoin conference is probably what's going to push us over this resistance level at 68.4. Bring us back up to maybe 71, and then we'll probably retest 68.4 as support again. Something like that, right? That's kind of what I see going on here. But, you know, it depends on how bullish the news is coming out of the Bitcoin conference, right? I mean, you've got RFK talking, you've got Trump talking, you've got, you know, Michael Saylor talking, you know, Kathy Wood, I'm sure, is going to be there. A whole bunch of people talking, guys. So there's going to be a lot of bullishness coming out of there. So we'll have to see what happens, right? We'll have to see what happens. But let's go over to the bubbles and have a look. Turbo's been pumping pretty good, eh? I did a turbo video earlier today as well, man. Hopefully you guys check that out. Yeah, BTC 67.9. Yeah. Mobile up 4%, guys. Pith, man, I wish Pith would have a bit of a crash right now because I really want to pick some more up tomorrow. KASPA's 17.8. Myro is a good, oh man, there's some good entry points right now, guys. Stronghold's a good entry point, 2049, down 10% on the day. Fantastic. Look at Turbo, another 15%, guys, up 96% on the week. I'm going to be honest with you guys, it would probably be a pretty good time to either take some profits on Turbo or short it if you're doing leverage trading, right? It's up 15.5% on the day, 96% on the week. Probably due for a little bit of a correction, guys, right? So there might have a little bit of an opportunity to put in maybe a little short or maybe take some profits, right? So I looked up XCN on CoinGecko. Besides it being listed on base, I scrolled down to categories, and it says Pantera Capital. So I Googled Pantera Capital's portfolio. It says chain. Yes. Yes. I don't know what you're getting at, but yes. I'm just messing with you. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, it's in Pantera Capital's portfolio. I'll look over on CoinMarketCap. Hang on a second. Yeah. Oh, you're looking on CoinGecko. That's what you're looking at, right? Okay. Let's go to CoinGecko. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, Pantera Capital. Really, all you had to do is click on it here, and you can see what else is in their portfolio, right? I mean, they got some great projects here, guys. This is an amazing portfolio, really. XRP, Toncoin, Dot, Near, Filecoin, Arbitrum, INJ, Injective, right? Ondo, Helium, Mina Protocol, Oasis Rose. They got some good stuff in here, man. Good stuff. What else? API 3, pretty good. Wax is pretty good. I like Dodo. There we go. XCN, of course. They got a lot of good stuff here, man. A lot of good stuff. Yeah. Pretty fancy schmancy. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, man. On your own time, research Mel Fisher. Cool story. I'm from his hometown. I'm going to do that, man. I'm going to do that. Ty, what's up, man? Good to see you. These next few weeks could be huge. That is the understatement of the century, my friend. This could be massive. Massive, massive, massive. I would agree. All right, what else do we got? Yeah, so yeah, pretty good portfolio, man, for sure. Pretty good portfolio. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, probably a decent time to either short, a little bit of a short on Turbo or take profits, right? Proppy, guys, $1.35, man. Jeez, I wish I had filled up on Proppy, you know? But I'm working on too many other things right now, man. I got one more purchase of XCN and I'm done. And I'm working on something else. And if you want to know what it is I'm working on, you got to be a member of the channel. Members get my buy and sell alerts, so definitely click the join button for that, guys. Okay, let's get into some of the news here, guys. Let's talk about what's going on. All right, so Donald Trump is considering BlackRock CEO Larry Fink as Treasury Secretary. Interesting. That would be pretty big. That would be pretty big, considering that Larry Fink has flipped very bullish on crypto. Is it true that Biden dropped out? Yes, it is true, my friend. It is true. True. What else do we got? JASMY Technical Patterns points to bullish breakout. 3 cents 3 neckline, key to 5 cents 5. JASMY is shaping an intriguing technical pattern on the daily time frame. This pattern, an inverted head and shoulders, often suggests a potential bullish breakout. Now, guys, real quick before I continue, just so you know, we do technical analysis training videos over on the Patreon. And about 2 weeks ago, the pattern that was selected that we covered was the inverse head and shoulders. So had you been, if you're a member of the Patreon, you would know ahead of time that this was coming, right? So definitely, guys, jump over to the Patreon and start learning the basics of technical analysis. According to the post below by Steph is Crypto, the key level to watch in this neckline is 3 cents 3. A confirmed daily candle, a close above that level, could validate a technical target of 5 cents 5. The inverted head and shoulders pattern is a reversal formation that often signals the end of a downtrend. It consists of three throws, with the middle being the lowest. The two sides, known as shoulders, are higher. So I'll just show you instead of breaking it down here, because they're just breaking down the inverted head and shoulders. Instead, I will just show you, because we have been tracking it on the daily time frame, as you can see here, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And the break on this, the technical target is right up here at 5 cents 5. Now, what could happen is, as you see here, we do have a little bit of resistance between 3 cents 1 and 3 cents 2. We will see some more, so right in here, right? And then we will see more resistance at 4 cents. But the breakout target for this inverse head and shoulders playing out is 5 cents 5. I think what's going to happen is we will reject off 5 cents 5, and we will most likely consolidate between this level right here, between 5 cents and 5 cents 5 will be the next consolidation level, where we will likely ping pong inside of here before another break to the upside, right? Maybe we'll get lucky and form a bull flag of some sort, but that's kind of what I see playing out after the inverse head and shoulders. So yeah, mega bullish. Big Watch Dude, what's up, fam? Good to see you, man. Mr. Whale, what's up? Can you check Myro? It's pumping again. Myro. Let me check where I can find the chart for Myro. I generally like to use Binance as my source, but I don't think Myro is listed on Binance. So I would have to check the charts. Oh, KuCoin. Okay. We'll go over to KuCoin. Just give me a second to pull the chart up here. Myro on the daily time frame. What do we got? Looks like Myro has broken out of a downtrend, right? Looks like we've broken a downtrend here. No, that's no good. As you can see, right? That's what we had going on. We've broken to the upside here. So it's just a matter of time. Again, Myro is probably another one of those projects where we need to see some volume come in before we see that big run. However, we could see, well, I mean, we're not really going to retest that trend line. That'd be too far of a fall, but we've broken out of there. I mean, who knows, right? Who knows what we could see going on here, really. Some volume, maybe we can ping pong here, form some sort of a bull flag. If we do on the daily time frame, right? Could do something like that, which would be another break to the upside, right? Very, very possible. But we'd have to ping pong here for 4 or 5 days, maybe even a week or so first, right? So, but we need volume to come into the market first before we see that. So, but it's looking bullish anyway. It's looking bullish, possibly breaking resistance at 2 cents 1. Yeah, I mean, 2 cents 1 would be 2 cents one would be right about here, right? Yeah. Kind of an important level, right? Kind of an important level. We broke down below it. Resistance here, right? Had a little bit of resistance here, then support. Supported a couple of times right here and then acted as resistance. I don't think it's going to be that strong of a resistance level, to be honest with you. It didn't really act like too much. A couple times, but nothing major, right? So, I mean, we'll have to see, but potential bullishness anyway. I mean, it does fit though. It does fit. If this bull flag plays out, then it does fit that we would probably hit around 2 cents one out of this bull flag. And whether we break out of it or get rejected off of it at that time, you know, we'd have to see. So, but yeah, I mean, either way, it looks pretty bullish over the next few weeks anyway. My guy, what's up, Rob? Since when you had a gray beard? Haven't watched lives in a while. Yeah, that's how long it's been, man. That's how my beard was black last time you were here. Benjamin, time moves quicker in Canada, right? Hoping Onyx Coin gives me another week before taking off. Haven't finished my bags. Yes, I got one more purchase of Onyx Coin probably tomorrow, and then I'm on to the next project, right? Also, Rob, we're not going to see a new all-time high for JASMY till late August, early September. Watch, you'll see. Yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. You mean you're talking about a local high, right? Not an all-time high, right? Because an all-time high would be over $4, right? A local high would be like, you know, recent high. So 1 million XCN is solid goal to reach XCN, giving off JASMY vibes. Yes, 100%, man. I say that quite a bit. I do feel that. XCN gives me vibes that I was getting like back when JASMY was at like 204, 205, right? And then bam, broke out to like 3 cents. Charlie, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. What's going on, Rob? Finally get to catch a live. Yes. Philip, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. David's in the house. What's up, broski? Crypto Holmes, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Boomer. Been a minute, man. What's going on, brother? I mean, local. Yeah, I got you. I was picking up what you were putting down. Like 6 to 8 cents realistically, 10 to 15 cents optimistically. Well, I mean, once we break through that, I think 5 to 6 cents is going to be a pretty strong resistance level because it's kind of psychological. But then I think from there, it's probably going to break somewhere between 9 to 10 cents and just kind of hover there and consolidate again around that point, right? Because 10 cents for sure, 10 cents is going to be a very strong psychological level as well, right? For a lot of people who are buying in at like 204, 205, 206, right? So I do think so. But you also have to remember that around that price range, we'll probably also get a lot of FOMO because we'll be seeing so many content creators come out of the woodwork to cover JASMY, right? So absolutely, man. Abso-freaking-lutely. All right. What else is going on? Wow, let's get back into the news here. All right, so we covered JASMY. All right, this, guys, I had to show this just because it's absolutely hilarious. Check this live shot of the Democratic Party.
Swing plant, I believe. They about to get wet. Swing plant.
There goes Biden. Plain Dave, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, what else do we got? Yes, Larry Fink, the Finkinator, guys. Donald Trump considering Larry Fink for the Treasury job. Just a reminder that he's pro-Bitcoin. Check it out.
Now, I know you have been a leader in willing to embrace crypto. You have made it so that people can be in Bitcoin. We hear that you are thinking about Ethereum. These are incredible things. Now, BlackRock is not known as a a gunslinger by any means. So you obviously must believe that this maybe is an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of a deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely. As you know, I was a skeptic.
Yes.
I was a proud skeptic. And I studied it, learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. Right. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency, debasing their currency by excess deficits, and some countries are. I believe we have countries where you're frightened of your everyday existence, and if you have an opportunity to invest in something that is outside your country's control, then you can have more financial control. And so I'm a major believer that there is a role for Bitcoin in portfolios. I believe you're going to see that as one of the asset classes that we all look at. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before, and I do believe there's a real need for everyone to look at it as one alternative to, I would say, the optimism that I have in the world. If you want to hedge hope, Bitcoin is not an instrument for hope unless you're hopeful you're going to make a lot of money on it. But I look at it as a vehicle in which you're expressing your financial acumen in something that you're more frightened of the world, you're more frightened of your existence. And I believe there's a great industrial use for it. And I think a lot of people are missing that.
I couldn't agree more. I changed my mind about it when you did. You had been my thinking. It was like, you don't believe it, so I can't believe it. I want to thank Larry Fink for the message of optimism. Thanks. And also for a great quarter. Larry Fink is the co-founder, chairman, and CEO of BlackRock. I think the most important investor.
Isn't Jim Cramer such a kiss ass? He's like, I changed my mind on Bitcoin when you did. Kiss ass. Get out of here. Manuel, what's up, buddy? What's going on? Can't wait for the parabolic journey that JASMY's about to embark on. Yes. 100 times over. Yes, my friend. Hey, Rob, how do you feel about metal blockchain? Metal blockchain. Well, let's see how I feel about it. Let's have a little looky-loo. 5 cents, $9 million market cap. Nice and low market cap. Don't know what the max supply is. It's on Ethereum. No audits. All-time high, $2.26 in the last bull run. DWF Labs portfolio. Staking, wallets, PO, proof of stake, DeFi. Okay. Only got 2 listings. Yeah, you know what? This seems like it's got some potential because it doesn't have many listings. If it gets a couple of listings, if you can get in on it early like now, and it gets a couple of tier 1 listings, you're going to see a lot of volume come into the project, and you can make yourself a nice little pretty penny. So, nice little utility play. JASMY coin, absolutely. JASMY guy, crypto man, XCN, Parabolic, XCN, and Swift are sleeping giants. You nailed it, brother. You nailed it. Hey, Rob, what do you think about ASM? I have 3 different ASMs. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about Assemble AI? Is this the one you're talking about? 2 cents, 7, $40 million market cap. Don't know the max supply. Slow Mist audited them. Okay, that's good. They've been audited at least. All-time high 88 cents in the last bull run. What are their tags? Big data, generative AI, So they've got a good niche. They're on Ethereum, but they're on Coinbase, Gate.io. Yeah. Reasonably low market cap, good utility play. I don't know what the max supply is, but if it's the total supply, then most of the supplies and almost all of the supplies in circulation. Pretty bullish play for sure. They've got their audits. It'll definitely, I mean, I don't know what the dilution was in the bear market, but if it wasn't too terrible, it could, you know, it has a very, very, very good chance of smashing through its all-time high of 88 cents. That should be, $1 should be easy for the project this time around. So yeah, seems like a pretty good one. Polyswarm. I talked about Polyswarm on one of our members only live streams. I think, was it today? Earlier today, I talked about Polyswarm. Yeah, it's a ERC20 token that I think is going to do really, really well. Really, really well because of the Ethereum ETFs, right? It's going to benefit greatly as an ERC20 token. Yeah, I think that I think Polyswarm is going to do really, really well. 82% of the supply in circulation. 2 cents 3 right now, only a 35, almost a $36 million market cap. All-time high, it was just after the bull run, 23 cents. This is gonna smash 23 cents, easily smash 23 cents. Yeah, smart contracts, DApp, cybersecurity. Yeah, they'll probably get a couple more listings. Like KuCoin will probably pick this up. I could see Binance picking it up. You know, we should get some good listings. Polyswarm will do nicely. Have you heard of Solidus AI Tech Coin? Any thoughts? What's the ticker on that? Solidus AI Tech. 17 cents, $123 million market cap, 34% of the supplies in circulation. They got 2 audits, Hacken and Certec, both audited them on BNB. All-time high 4 months ago, 68 cents. Wow. AI big data, yeah. So they've got a good niche. I'm assuming that they launched on Binance. I'm assuming they used Binance Launchpad probably a few months ago, but probably 4 months ago. Got some decent listings. No, they couldn't have used Binance as Launchpad because they're not listed on Binance. Oh, okay. Seems like a pretty good play. Yeah, it's got the narrative. It's got the tokenomics. Well, I mean, the tokenomics could be a little better, to be honest. 34% of the supply in circulation. I'd like to see that a little higher, but I digress. Right? We'll take what we can get, but it's okay. I'll give it 1 thumbs up. 1 thumbs up. Well, Bitcoin's flashing green again. Look at that. Bitcoin's trying, right now it's a spinning top candle. It's trying to retest 68.4. Here's a question for you guys. Will Bitcoin break through 68.4 resistance level tonight? It's already close, 67.79 on the RSI. Pretty close to oversold, a little bit higher, and we'll get into, or overbought, I mean. A little bit higher, and we will get into the overbought area. So, interesting. We'll see what happens. All right, what else do we got for news here, guys? Ha. Javin, what's up, man? Swapped my turbo for Pepe 2 months ago. Thoughts? I think you missed a hell of a pump on turbo, man. I think you missed a hell of a pump on turbo. It's up like 118% on the week or something like that. JASMY Guy, Ethereum ETF. Yes, ETH this week, 100%. 2 days away, man. 2 days away. That's going to be exciting. Day after tomorrow, right? It's the 21st today. Day after tomorrow, we see that launch. It's going to be bullish, guys. Are you freaking ready? That's the question, right? That is the question on everybody's mind. Are you ready? All right. So I wanted to show you this because there's a lot of rumors swirling around that Hillary is going to take Biden's place, right? So I wanted to check this out just because I think it's funny. Last time Trump and Hillary debated.
And fact check him in real time. Last time at the first debate, we had millions of people fact checking. So I expect we'll have millions more fact checking because, you know, it's just awfully good that someone with the temperament of Donald Trump is not in charge of the law in our country.
Because you'd be in jail.
Secretary Clinton.
We want to remind the audience to please not talk out loud. Please do not applaud. You're just wasting time.
And
see how salty he got? You're just wasting time. Good times, guys. Good times. What else do we got going on? Ah, yes, Japanese public company Metaplanet. If you guys don't remember Metaplanet, we talk about it every single time they buy. They bought another 200 million worth of Bitcoin today, guys. These guys are basically the micro strategy of Japan, and they are scooping up Bitcoin like there's no tomorrow. The question is, are you? I am. Bad Lander, what's up, man? I think this week could be exciting. Yes, I agree. We're ending Sunday on a very, very positive note. And yeah, tomorrow's going to be pretty fun. We'll see what happens on Monday, guys. Right? Monday is going to be some fun. If you're new around here, guys, make sure you are hitting that. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Help the channel grow. Dogecoin's pumping, is it? Yeah, it's up 5.8%. Yeah, pretty decent pump on Doge. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, what else do we got? Like I said, guys, I've been telling you guys about Turbo for months now, right? It's up 118% in the past week. This is Turbo Revolution, guys. Absolutely bullish on Turbo. I think it's going to do great things in this bull run. One of my meme coins of choice for this bull run. All right, what do we got? So I'm going to get into some of this, some of these articles here, guys. Some of this news. If you want me to look at a project or anything like that in the meantime, just send your request over in a super chat, and I will get to it immediately. So let's talk here, guys. Can Ethereum's ETFs spark an altcoin season amidst rising Bitcoin dominance? Discover the potential implications of the U.S. spot Ethereum ETF launch and Bitcoin's market dominance on the altcoin season. The crypto community is abuzz with speculation regarding the potential influence of U.S. spot Ethereum ETFs launch on the altcoin market. As the premier altcoin, Ethereum's performance could serve as a bellwether for the broader altcoin sector. Investors are eager to see if this significant event can trigger a much anticipated altcoin season. Renowned crypto analyst Benjamin Cowan has pointed out that Bitcoin's current dominance level mirrors the patterns observed in 2019. 2 months prior to a Federal Reserve rate cut, back then, Bitcoin experienced a significant surge, leaving altcoins struggling to keep pace. Cowan's analysis suggests a similar scenario may unfold, with Bitcoin dominance potentially stifling on the onset of the altcoin season. The Altcoin Season Index, a crucial tool for gauging market trends, currently indicates that the market has been in a Bitcoin season. This sentiment aligns with Cowen's projection, reinforcing the idea that BTC might continue to overshadow altcoins in the immediate future. However, this is not the only metric to consider. And guys, real quick, what's he talking about here? Well, I will show you real quick before I continue on. I'll show you exactly what he's talking about. See? Boom, here it is. As you can see, we are in Bitcoin season down here, right? We're in Bitcoin season. We're not even close to altcoin season. So what that means is that since we're not even close to altcoin season up here, and we're down here in Bitcoin season, what you should be doing by all metrics right now, what you should be doing is over on the rainbow chart, look, you should be accumulating altcoins right now. We are in the buy zone for altcoins. And then accumulate, still cheap. So that's what you should be doing in terms of altcoins right now. Obviously not financial advice, right? So that is what he's talking about there. The Ethereum the Ethereum BTC ratio, which tracks Ethereum's performance relative to Bitcoin, is another critical indicator. Founders of Glassnode, under the synonym Negatropic on social media platform X, has highlighted that a boost in this ratio, particularly following the US spot Ethereum ETF approval, could ignite an altcoin rally. Historical data reveals that the Ethereum BTC ratio has shown resilience, although it still shows a descending trend channel. Got a super chat from Isaac. What's up, brother? Rob, I want to thank you for all you do. Content is off the chain, and you always answer my questions and give me your opinion about my portfolio. Thanks again, dude. Hey, I always got your back, brother. I always got your back. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you for supporting me and the channel, my brother. It definitely means a lot. All right, so with the US spot Ethereum ETF launch on the horizon, investors are keenly observing market responses. The performance of the Ethereum relative to BTC will be crucial in determining whether the altcoin season is imminent. While BTC dominance remains a formidable force, the Ethereum BTC ratio movement could provide a counterbalance, offering a glimmer of hope to altcoin enthusiasts. In summary, the cryptocurrency market stands at a crucial juncture. The interplay between Bitcoin's dominance and the performance of Ethereum, particularly in light of the US spot Ethereum ETF launch, will be pivotal. Analysts and investors should keep a close eye on these dynamics, as they will likely shape the direction of the altcoin market in the upcoming months. While Bitcoin's strength poses challenges, the potential for an altcoin season cannot be entirely ruled out, contingent upon Ethereum's performance and the broader market reactions. Altcoin season's coming, baby. Parabolic part of the entire bull run is coming, baby. You love to see it. What else is on the docket, guys? Will history repeat? Bitcoin mirrors May 2019 dominance, casting doubt on altcoin season. Renowned analysts have suggested that the altcoin season might experience a delay due to the potential increase in Bitcoin dominance. This prediction comes in light of the anticipated Federal Reserve rate cuts in September. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cowen has noted, we already talked about that, so the impact of Ethereum on the alts. The potential delay in the altcoin season could be disappointing news for the cryptocurrency investors. The altcoin market experienced significant drawdowns in June, and investors were hoping for some relief. However, the altcoin season index indicator suggests that the altcoin season is not yet upon us. The first half of 2024 has been marked in Bitcoin as a Bitcoin season. If Cowen's predictions hold true, the pattern could persist. Despite this, some analysts believe that the Ethereum BTC ratio is another key indicator, which we've already talked about. Okay, so they're just talking about the same thing essentially. So, I mean, if there's a delay in altcoin season, guys, are you really going to care? I mean, me personally, the way I look at it, no, I'm not going to give a crap, because I get time to buy more of the altcoins that I want, right? Like, guys, I got one more buy order in for XCN, which I fill tomorrow, and then I start my first purchase, or my second or third purchase, on the next project that I'm moving on to, and I want to fill that bag as well, right? So I need more time. So I'm not really going to care if altcoin season is delayed a little bit. That's not really going to bother me very much, to be honest with you. All right. Oh, damn it. Hang on a second here, guys. Wait a tick. Okay, let's get back into the chat. Bruno, do you feel like ETH is going to be a buy? I don't know. That's a tough call, man, because honestly, there hasn't really been a buy the rumor pump for Ethereum, right? So it's kind of hard to have a sell the news event when there was, I mean, when like a month leading into the spot Bitcoin ETFs, we saw a big run up in the price of Bitcoin, but we haven't seen that price run up in Ethereum. So, you know, we might not see that pullback, because Bitcoin pulled back like 20% after the launch initially in the first 2 weeks, and then it jumped up like 75% or something, right? Which is 75% is a big jump for Bitcoin considering the market cap, right? So that's another thing you've got to take into consideration. If Ethereum has the similar pump, right, it's going to be, I think it's going to be bigger than people think for two reasons. One, the market cap of Ethereum is significantly lower than Bitcoin's, which means it could pump that much higher if close to the same amount of money pours into Ethereum that went into Bitcoin. And on top of that, you have to remember that with the Bitcoin ETFs, you also had massive outflows from Grayscale. And with the Ethereum ETFs, you're not going to have those outflows from Grayscale. So we could see Ethereum run significantly higher than a lot of people are thinking that it's going to run. Last day's guys predicted. Can't wait to see what Crust Network will do in this morning. Yes, I am bullish on Crust, man. Kamala president, yeah. Thank you for doing the Myro chart, good sir. Hey, no problem, Mr. Whale. No problem, man. You're always on point and always so helpful. I want to thank you for your time and how you are always positive and help people. Hey, no problem, man. You guys are my family. We're a community here, guys. I love to help, right? I love to help. That's why we started doing, that's why we started doing the one-on-one coaching sessions over on the Patreon for you guys, because a lot of people need it, right? A lot of people, they get anxious, they get worried, and we do these one-on-one coaching sessions to help keep you on track, right? To talk you off the edge of making a big mistake, right? So if you need that, guys, if you need coaching sessions, if you need one-on-one Zoom calls with me and stuff like that, right? Whether it's to go over your portfolio, whether it's to, help you understand this market better, whatever it is, jump over to the Patreon, guys, because I'll be there. We'll do our one-on-ones, right? We'll get you scheduled in for some coaching sessions, and we'll get you straightened out, man. So yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. All right, guys. So that's essentially the news today, guys. We'll have to stay on top to see who's going to take Biden's place and all that fun stuff. But outside of that, guys, I'm going to go watch a movie, relax a little bit, and have yourselves a phenomenal night, guys. And thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the support as always, guys. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate this whole community. And like I said, jump over to the Patreon, get your one-on-one coaching sessions in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, guys.